after our fist under elbow,
После кулака под локтем,
what is his way of defending himself against
как
this?
он может защититься?
That's it. Now, I told you a more sophisticated way
Я вам уже говорил, что более правильным здесь
is to cover this,
закрыть этот
is to cover this arm, neutralize, and use this change.
и как сальшо.
Okay? But this is, as I said, your imaginary opponent is not always so sophisticated.
Но, как я вам уже говорил, вот этот плохой парень, он не очень продвинулся на язык.
So he defends by killing the punch by controlling the other side.
Он защищается от этого, убивая удар с помощью контроля с другой стороны.
This is a common method of defense against an attack. You control the opposite side.
Распространенный метод защиты.
So, here. And better do it a little quicker. Right. Don't wait until I've already punched. Okay. Right. Now, notice my change here. This is step back like a monkey. Okay. Originally it's done with a monkey paw, like this. We do it with a strike this way. Okay. But all you have to do is touch because he should not allow you to get this far. Let's watch it again. Let's take it from the second swing here. You give me a little push. Boom, boom. Oh well, you're gonna be the bad guy. Boom. Here. That's waiting too long, right? That's it. Here and strike. Okay. This is monkey. So notice he controls my wrist. When he controls it, you don't have to grip so hard. When he controls it, I turn it over. Turn it over first, then step back, and sink down. Okay? You do not pull back. If I pull back, he can easily control me, okay? So, pull back. Yeah. So I can do back to him. But if he sinks it down, okay? Yep, wait. Right. This is very hard for me to control. Okay? So this is why in the form it's extremely important you do not do this, okay, but this. Don't bend your elbow at all. Just, of course the elbow is always slightly bent, but I mean don't increase it. Just sink the person down and strike. Okay, now when he does that, well, I'll be the bad guy. So, and strike. You catch it from on top. He turns this over, steps back, and strikes. I try to sink this down. Now, Sasha's making a little mistake here because every time I sink him down, he's resisting it a little bit. When he resists, this just happened. He just throws this. Oh, sorry. He just throws me back up at him. So he should just. So when. Right. I should go with him, see, and then catch this here, and catch this. He should try to strike.
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 And then, so you're on top, you sink this down. Don't get away from it. Just follow it, turn it over. Right, step, and so you see through this exercise, you never have to lose contact. Okay, we should probably try this with partners with models first, because it's a little difficult. So take a partner, do it with me and Sasha. Come around behind. Okay, let's aim this way and start with fist under elbow. Okay, now, as the fist comes up.
Когда кулак идет,
Change your mind before you reach this point. Okay?
вы должны измениться до того, как до конца дойдете.
When he pulls you down, sink down with him.
Когда он тянет вниз, опускайтесь вниз.
Now notice, he could pull me and step back.
Обратите внимание, он может тащить меня с шагом назад.
Okay, this brings me to a very important point. All right, Rat, please, this is an important point.
Здесь очень важный момент возникает.
Remember, I told you 5-element postures.
Помните, я вам говорил, есть 5 позиций, 5 элементов.
Every single technique can be done in every single direction.
То есть каждая отдельная техника может быть в каждом из направлений.
This is called monkey steps back to drive away the tiger.
То есть это движение называется обезьяна отходит назад и привлекает тигра.
But this monkey can also step forward as well as back.
Но обезьяна может и вперед сделать шаг.
And notice here even I'm stepping a little sideways.
Видите, здесь я чуть-чуть в сторону сделал шаг.
So remember, this is one of the most obviously attached to a direction techniques.
Вот это одна из техник, которая наиболее очевидным образом связывается с направлением.
But no matter how much it looks like it's attached to a direction, it can be done in the opposite direction.
Что она, независимо от этого, она может делать в любом направлении.
So the assumption here
Здесь есть предположение,
is that he does not pull me with him here.
что он тащит меня, что он не тащит меня с собой.
But here, sink down, and here comes with me,
И двигается со мной.
pushes this down. And then I turn this over, step back, strike here. Okay? You must step back before you pull. You must step back before you pull.
Вы должны сначала сделать шаг, потом протягивать.
If you turn your waist before you step back, you're pulling.
Если вы разворачиваете поясницу, прежде чем потянули, то нету протягивания.
A lot of you are doing this.
Многие из вас делают вот так.
Oh, I have to put that side. Okay. You are going like this,
Вот так делаете.
and then stepping back. All right. Remember the form.
Помните форму?
The form is not like this.
Форма не так делается.
The form is like this. Okay. In our form, we step exactly straight.
То есть форму мы по прямой делаем шаг.
But the whole concept is that I'm stepping back without turning my waist this way.
Важно, что я делаю шаг назад без разворота поясницы.
So I might be stepping back like this.
Я могу и вот в эту сторону сделать шаг.
That's why I said your first step in the application of the first movement is the monkey step back.
Поэтому я вам говорю, что первый ваш шаг в применении вместо шага обезьяны.
Because, give me the punch. You don't block like this.
Вы не блокируете вот так.
You do this in Sancho, so there's nothing wrong with it.
Вы это делаете, значит ничего неправильного нет.
It's just a variation. But here, I'm blocking like this. Okay. So this is monkey step.
Это шаг обезьяны.
In this case, she actually has hold of your wrist.
В этом случае она вас захватывает.
So you don't want to give her any pull before you do this.
Вы не хотите тянуть.
Step back,
Вы делаете шаг.
then pull.
После
Okay.
протягивания.
So, clear?
Понятно?
All right. Продолжайте. We'll do that in Sancho, and many of you already have practiced it in Sancho. It depends on tiger attack.
Потому что для этого нужна атака тигра.
But I want to see, most people think that the sophisticated version and this relatively unsophisticated version are pretty different, not very connected.
Некоторые люди думают, что продвинутая версия и непродвинутая версия, они слишком различные между собой связаны.
A little work will show you that actually they're quite connected in terms of body dynamics. Up again. We're in this sequence where, okay, here we go. Like this, keep your hand high. So here, notice in this, he stays in contact with me all the time. Right? And I always allow this, right? But suppose, in other words, I never separate.
Я не хочу разделять.
All right? But of course, in a more realistic situation,
Но естественно, что в более реалистичной ситуации
there can be a little bit of separation, and also, rather than wait for me,
и кроме того, ему совершенно не обязательно ждать меня.
here, see now he's waiting for my monkey paw
Он сейчас ждет, пока я ударю.
to push it down, all right? And now waiting again. But suppose he says, I'm not going to wait, I'm going to attack.
Но предположим, он стал
Yeah. Notice, step forward. Notice he has tiger attack.
вот у него появляется атака тигра.
And now he attacks again.
Теперь снова.
And this is the classic,
И вот эта классическая,
sophisticated version.
вот эта версия, она более правильная.
Those of you who are more advanced and have practiced the Sancho,
Те из вас, кто уже знаком с Санчо,
you should experiment a little.
вы можете немножко поэкспериментировать.
Start with this,
Начинается вот в этой позиции,
and then just attack.
а потом просто начинаете атаковать.
And you will see how connected the body dynamics are.
Видите, насколько эти два варианта они тесно связаны.
Okay, we need to take a short break.
Короткий перерыв.
And if some of you want to try this during the break, go ahead.
Если кто-то хочет попробовать во время перерыва,
If not, just, this connection.
вот эту связь.
But it's up to you.
Вот